Because our guild is having a local quilt show. So if you're in the Columbia, Missouri or surrounding area, we have our quilt show next weekend at the Community United Methodist Church. I'll put the information in the description box below because I am horrible at that information right now, apparently. But I'm going to have 6 quilts in the show, so I'm super excited about that. In the show is going to be mercantile sampler, how to build a scarecrow, how to build a scarecrow. I have a couple. The tea towel quilt is going to be in it. One of my friendship quilts is going to be in it, and I have 2 others that are going to be in it as well. So if you're in the Columbia area and you want to come see an amazing show, make sure you do that. Admission is $5 and you get to walk through the entire show. We have over 200 quilts. They're going to be on display. Plus, we're going to have a bunch of stuff in the marketplace that you can purchase. So that'll be super fun to just go through all of the handmade items. And we also have books and fabric and cross-stitch kits and project bags and all kinds of stuff in the marketplace that you can purchase for your own stash and collection. We also have silent auction coming up on that one too. And we also have 2 quilts for opportunity that you just buy raffle tickets basically. And you can enter for your chance to win one of those 2 quilts. And they're both gorgeous quilts. So